Okay, so this is a pretty windy area. We're at the top of a hill. So I would like a magnet, doorstop here. It would probably be better if these are, I don't know, marine grade because it's salty area. So that's one. Here is the second one. Here, two. So click there. Let's go to number 3. This would be number 3. Click. This would be number 4. Click.
Isn't that a doorstop?
Yes, but it needs a magnet.
Oh, right. Okay.
So that's 4. So let's come into here. This would be number 5.
A lot of doorstops. Yep, okay.
And this would be number 6.
Okay.
And coming through here, now this is a tricky one. So this will be number 7 to open this, but what you'll notice is it won't go past here. And the reason it won't go past here is nice and high up here. So this needs to be brought down just a little bit so it's a bit lower. And I know that will mean it's not aligned here, but at least that will fully open. So that is number 6, wasn't it?
7.
7. And so this would be number 8. So just click in, number 8. This will be number 9.
Some little doorstops.
Number 9.
Oh, onto the PowerPoint. What do you want to do about that?
Wow, that's, yes, better talk to the electrician about that. Number 9. This is number 10.
Same as the other one?
Yep, number 10. And this is number 11. And this has one, but it's not working.
Seen better days.
And this one here, I'm not sure it needs it, but it may as well. Everything else has one, otherwise it's going to. So that'll be number 12. And there is also one next door as well. So that's it. Cheers.
All right. Bye.